Hi, I just wanted to pop on here this morning and say a couple of words. I'm doing hats this morning, and I haven't done any for a while. And this little table, the little steady frame for the MB4, I've had it for several months now, but I have not done any hats on it yet. I want to say this was the best investment on the MB4 I have made on any of my machines. I love it. Not only do I love my Durkee hoops, because they don't bounce a lot, but when you do get a bounce in these, it's because either the machine's not level or something's going on. Your arms are not good and tight. But this helps so much. It keeps the hoop from bouncing. It keeps your hat nice and flat on the machine and in the hoop. And I'm sewing my hats at 800 and 700 RPMs, and I'm going to turn this on and let you see how nice and smooth this runs. I know the little tables are a little pricey. I know on Amazon they're like $239. I happen to buy this one on sale for $236 on eBay. But best investment I have ever made for this machine. Now I don't mind doing hats, and I will probably start doing a lot more of them. And I will show you how I set up for a hat order, because I do have two hat frames, which makes a big difference in your production of doing hats, so you don't have to take the time hooping one at a time. But I just wanted to pop on here and tell you how much I really love the little table for the MB4. Thanks for watching.